In a serene corner of a vast lake, nestled between rolling hills and surrounded by lush greenery, a Zen master and his devoted student embarked on a tranquil boat ride. The lake was like a sheet of glass, reflecting the clear blue sky above. The boat was small, barely making a ripple as it gently glided through the water. The student, a young man brimming with curiosity and questions about the mysteries of existence, couldn't contain his thoughts. He bombarded the master with inquiries about the nature of life, the universe, and the essence of Zen. With each question, the master responded patiently and thoughtfully. He spoke of the impermanence of all things, the interconnectedness of life, and the importance of inner peace. Yet, the student's thirst for knowledge was insatiable, and he continued to pose one question after another. The master, sensing the student's restless mind and the ripples of anxiety it was creating, paused and looked deep into his eyes. He gestured towards the calm lake surrounding them and said, "Do you see the stillness of this lake? It reflects the tranquility of a perfectly balanced mind." The student, however, was unrelenting. He gazed at the water and noticed the faint ripples caused by the boat's passage. He asked, "Master, what about these ripples? How do they fit into the picture of a calm mind?" The master's eyes twinkled with wisdom as he responded, "Ah, my dear student, it's not the ripples in the water that disturb the serenity of the lake. It's the restlessness of your mind, your constant questioning, and your inability to be fully present in this moment that stirs the waters of your consciousness. The lake is always calm, but your mind is not." With those words, the student fell silent. He turned his attention to the lake, its surface as smooth as a polished mirror, reflecting the beauty of the world around them. As he let go of his incessant questioning and surrendered to the tranquility of the moment, he experienced a profound shift in his perception. In that stillness, the young student found answers not in words but in the quietude of his own being. He realized that the lake had always been calm, just as his true nature had always been peaceful. The turbulent ripples of his mind were like passing disturbances on the surface of his consciousness. From that day forward, the student learned the importance of quieting the mind, embracing the present moment, and finding serenity amid life's uncertainties. The empty boat of his thoughts no longer rocked the calm waters of his being, and he walked the path of Zen with a newfound sense of clarity and inner peace.